Let's go, car crash. All right, so if you guys don't know who eaJ is, his name is J Park, right? It's eaJ Park, literally J Park. Is that correct? Is J has the last name Park? All right, so eaJ came out with Car Crash, official music video starring Valkyrae and Kyedae. Just had 100 Thieves backing him up. That's kind of fire. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. eaJ, Car Crash. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Bow. Okay, shoes. Let's go.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Ooh, where's she going? Where's she going though? Like, oh, it's so sad already. Why is it so sad already? Damn. Ooh. Okay, okay. Oh, eating an apple all day keeps the doctor away, as I say.
Don't.
Thank you. Damn, I tried my best. Aw, is she going through it? Like, girly, come through. Ooh. Ooh, okay, eaJ. Look at this long drink of water. The man is tall though. Like, she about that outside life. She just staying in. I feel like I'm more of her just staying in. It's just a simple music video too. It's just a story about like two roommates.
God, they were roommates.
Is that what it is? Or two neighbors? Like, I mean, the music video wise. Wait, what happened? Uh-oh. Yeah, kick his ass out. To the left with them. Girly, we need to talk. Oh, God.
Don't.
Wait. When'd you wake up? Did you? Huh? He just worked up in the middle of a desert? Ooh, I can already hear eaJ's concert. If he does things live, he already killed at 88, to be honest. She got her to go out. That's fire. Aww, that's actually cute. Okay, acting. Where they going? Coachella? Why is it so dark? I have too many questions, y'all. Are we shipping or are they just friends? Hey, that's for you to decide. Look at my dude getting. Oh, damn, he caked up. And they won't pick up. They said no men allowed. No men allowed. Oh, so 100 Thieves is actually doing the production. I guess 100 Thieves are branching out. 100 Thieves record label? Alright. We're gonna check out eaJ Sincerely. I feel like this is gonna be a sad one. Let's go. Got the pianos. Okay, we got that font. Sincerely. Oh, got it. What we doing?
Do you think it'd be different?
I don't know.
If I wasn't here,
Ooh.
wouldn't be worried, you wouldn't be scared. There'd be no sorries, cause there'd be no fear. You wouldn't have to be sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, you always gotta be sorry.
Oh, damn.
Something you There's always something I did, something I said, something I thought like I was wrong. I think I'm wrong for you. I'm sure I'm wrong for you. Wish that wasn't true. But
Are you feeling a little bit blue? Hey my God, you need a hug?
you think I'm a problem like you said.
Ooh, damn. This is a letter, definitely, obviously, sincerely.
'Cause I think you should touch me like you know.
Are those some messed up Supremes? You know, I don't really care about shoes, but I know some people would probably be mad.
No, I would. 'Cause you know I'm a problem. I don't wanna be yours. 'Cause I love you, you deserve more than this.
Damn, you just gonna stare at me like this?
You think I'm a problem like you should. 'Cause I know you should touch me like you know I would.
Ooh, painting it back white from just trading like a story with the painting and then restarting again. Damn,
I'm a problem.
bro, like that shit hit.
I don't wanna be yours. 'Cause I love you, you deserve more than this.
Damn. Damn, how long you been keeping this in, bright guy? Damn, that shit felt like it bubbled in your system and then you finally released it. Shoo. Well, damn, eaJ. Sincerely. Guys, if you haven't already, go check out his solo stuff. He's on Spotify finally. Congrats, bro. He also has Car Crash, as you saw earlier, with Valkyrae and Kyedae. And yeah, dude, I've been liking his solos because it's just been nice. It's just it's a good listen, whether it be like for vocals or just lyrics or just like if you want to feel. That sounds weird. That sounds sad. If you want to feel, listen to eaJ. Like damn. But put in the comments down below what you guys think of this song. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dreaming, stream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, and it might just come true. Alright, y'all. See you in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. A minute like swimwear.